What's up, creators? It's Kool here, your hype person and AI guru from authorityvideos.com, where creativity meets cash flow. Today, we're diving into a world of wonder with our latest creation, the Lego Magician Baby. Imagine a chubby, curious baby building glowing castles out of Lego bricks that float midair, surrounded by magical butterflies. Intrigued? Let's break down how to make it happen and how you can create even more dazzling ideas like this.
You've seen videos like these blowing up on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels, and now it's your turn to shine. With AI tools like ChatGPT, Leonardo AI, and Kling AI, you can create hyper-realistic, cinematic content without needing to be a pro animator. Plus, it's a goldmine for monetization through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Here's what's on the Lego Magician Baby menu. 1. Brainstorm creative ideas for magical baby scenes with ChatGPT. 2. Bring them to life visually using Leonardo AI. 3. Animate the magic with Kling AI. 4. Polish it up with Veed for a pro finish. And don't forget to grab the free cheat sheet in the description for step-by-step guidance. Ready to create magic? Let's go! Step 1. ChatGPT for idea generation. Start by hitting the link in the description to set up your free ChatGPT account. Once you're ready, paste in this prompt. Generate 10 creative ideas for human baby videos, including the baby's name, personality, playstyle, and setting. For example, here's what I got. Lego Magician baby building glowing castles that float in a fantasy garden. Stargazer baby using a magical telescope to create constellations. Feel free to tweak the prompt to match your vision. Remember, creativity is your superpower here. Step 2. Leonardo AI for stunning visuals. Next stop, Leonardo AI. Use the link in the description to claim your free tokens and jump into AI-powered artistry. Here's how to set it up. Model, Leonardo Phoenix. Style, dynamic, contrast, high, aspect ratio. 9:6 copy your prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Leonardo AI. Add hyper-realistic image at the end for that extra wow factor. Within seconds, you'll have jaw-dropping visuals of your Lego Magician baby creating magical castles. Save these masterpieces for the next step. Step 3. Kling AI for animation. Time to bring your Lego Magician baby to life. Click the description link to set up a free Kling AI account. Upload your first image, paste the same prompt from Leonardo AI, and click Generate Animation. Watch as the Lego bricks float and assemble themselves into glowing masterpieces, while the baby's hands move with wonder. Repeat this for all your scenes to build a seamless animation. Step 4. Veed for final touches. The final touch is where the magic happens. Import your animated clips into Veed. Adjust the aspect ratio to 9:6 for social platforms. Add transitions like blade fade and use text overlays such as Lego Magician, Baby's Enchanted Creations. Top it off with enchanting background music and export your polished video. Bonus inspiration: can't get enough of the Lego Magician baby? Think about expanding your universe with similar ideas. Puzzle Master, Baby, solving floating, glowing puzzles in a fantasy garden. Fantasy Goalkeeper, Baby, diving for glowing balls in a celestial football match. Stargazer, Baby, creating constellations with a magical telescope on a floating playground. And that's a wrap. From a quirky idea to a stunning, shareable masterpiece, that's the authorityvideos.com way. If this tutorial got you hyped, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss what's next. Don't forget to download the free cheat sheet in the description for everything you need to create magical baby videos. And hey, I'd love to see your creations. Share your videos in the comments. Maybe you'll inspire the next big trend. Until then, stay cool, stay creative, and remember, authorityvideos.com is your ticket to standing out.